So today we're going to continue last year's success and try to make like a matrix of LED lights so I can have some proper animations. Last year I had a bit of a area that was missing, but because I purchased these 2 boxes of twinkly light chains, I should be able to have a proper square that I can make animations from. Now, there's one thing we need to address first, and that is in the current year here we have the energy crisis and been asked not to have temperatures above 19 degrees inside the house. Not so much a problem for me. I like it kind of cool anyway, but having thousands and thousands of light on my house might be sending the wrong message. Like I don't care, I'm an ignorant idiot. So I'm only going to mount these 2 chains this year and perhaps this one outside my house so I can sit in my office and look at it. And I'm going to use this meter to check out how much it would use during a day. My guess is that I just skip making a dinner meal or 2. That'll probably be the same amount of energy that these uses. I don't think they're that hungry. So I'm not going to do a huge unboxing this time. I think we have done that before. This box is stuck. Let's try this one. I'm guessing that we have already seen what we need to see in these. Some information. Hi there. A message. Okay, stickers. I think those are new. And then there's just all the lights and the power supply. So, yeah. Did I miss anything? If I did, I'll fill you in when I'm installing them. So fewer lights this year, but a better light show. I think that would be today's mission. And I might, as I said, if I didn't already mention, I might only have them running like 7 hours or something like that every day. These have a feature so we can turn them off, and yeah, that'll be it. So let's get out there, have a look at it. As you probably remember, I have these hooks up here. I'm going to make good use of them again this year. Something like this. Alright, so here we go. I feel like, is it going to match up? Almost. Further to this side, yeah. Yeah, I need something up there, just a sec. A little thumbtack here. And yeah. Okay, so these are a bit springy. So a weight or something, slight weights to pull them down would have been good, but I think I'm going to try some thumbtacks for now, and then I need to come up with something later on. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to need to weigh them down, at least in front of the door. I won't be able to get in. Next up will be powering them up and doing some firmware updates. And I have showed that 1,000 times before, so I'll save you from that. The right one. Let's see if we can find them. Alright, so I should be able to group them together. Let's try this. Join. Yes, left and right. Create wall of light. Alrighty, so since the last recording, it has been a few weeks. I caught the flu and were down for almost 2 weeks, in bed for over a week, but I'm fine now. And so since the last recording, I have been unwinding these a bit and making them longer, the strands, so it was more like a square, and remapping the entire thing, so I got a better use for the effects here. I think it looks quite good. I think some of the effects that you can choose in the app, They don't look as good when I'm running them here as expected, but some of the more, well, not bitmap-like, they work quite well, as you can see behind me here. I also installed the Icicle in front of the house, but that's the only light I have installed this year. And I took a measurement, and it's running right now, and I can see it uses around 50 watts. And so that's 50 watt hours. And if I run that for 10 hours every day, which is roughly what I do, that's half a kilowatt hour per day. And that means that in a month, it will use around 15 kilowatt hours. 15, not 50. So how much does that cost? I cannot tell you, because the prices right here fluctuate a lot up and down, and depending on your price where you live. So 400 lights, yeah, running for 10 hours, half a kilowatt hour. So yeah, so what do you think? I might upload some shorts and also do a survey, which animation you like the best. So check that out in my community page. And I don't think I have much to add right now. So I hope you have a great Christmas, and I'll see you next year. Cheers.